Welcome back guys, JDog here from SeekaHost. Today we're going to be going through how you can update your private name servers. This is going to be if you're trying to set up your PBN blog, and of course you need to connect your domain to your hosting, and with the PBN blog we use private name servers as well as name servers. So let's just go through the process of updating them and connecting them up to your domain. So this is going to be use SeekaHost.app. Of course, if you haven't got yourself an account already, head on over, you can make an account for free, you can check out the dashboard, and then once you do like it, you can then get your hosting and of course your domain. Once you have got your domain, and if you don't know how to do that, we got an awesome video that shows you exactly how to do that very quick and easily. I'll have that popping up on the screen right now. And with that all done, let's just go to our domains. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be updating wpsupportuk.com, and we're going to be updating the name servers to match our hosting. So now we're on our SeekaHost dashboard. What we want to do is to actually update our name servers. This is usually done for a PBN blog because you get your own personal IP and unique name server. So if you haven't added your blog already, simply click on PBN blogs from your management dashboard, go to the top right where it says create PBN blog, add in your domain, your blog title, select your package and then click create. It will then appear on this page right here. If you're not sure how to do that, I'll leave another link popping up on the screen now, just showing you how to add your PBN site. Once your PBN blog is up, simply select action button there and it's going to take you to your blog info. This is the information that you're going to need here to update your private name servers and your name servers as well. It's going to be your blog IP, which is the same for the name server 1 and 2, and then you've got two different name servers here, usually associated with your domain. Now what I'm going to do here, just for ease of use, and I do suggest doing this, is just right hand click on the tab and duplicate the page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have one page for my dashboard, and I'm going to have it set up on the domain. So we have the domain here, wpsupportuk.com, and we're going to go to action. This is going to be where you can actually change your name servers, change the private name servers and stuff like that. So on this page I'm going to leave my domain up. On the other page, I'm going to leave my hosting up with the PBN blog and the information of the blog. So first things first is you're going to want to copy your blog IP. Once copied, come on over to your domain hosting on your particular domain, and you're going to come down to Registrar Lock. First thing that we're going to do is we want to unlock it. Now I've already have unlocked mine. Simply click this. It will be on green if it's locked. If I press it like that, you'll see it's got a little green locked button. If I press it again, it will unlock it. We need to do this just to change the name servers first. So once we've unlocked it, we're going to head on over to private name servers on the right hand side, and from here we can add our private name servers or update them. First things first is we're going to come into the top bar and we're going to type ns1. This is going to be your name server 1. Underneath, we're going to click add the blog IP, so we're simply going to paste it in there. Make sure there's no spaces afterwards or before, and it's just your blog IP. Now we're going to hit create. Excellent, so we've got name server created. Now we need to do that for the second name server. So we're going to put ns2. This is going to be for name server 2, and then we're going to paste the blog IP one more time, and then we're going to hit create. So what we've done now is we've updated our private name servers, so they're matching with our hosting. However, we still need one more thing to do, which is to come over to our name servers. Now we need to change these as well. It will always be on set default name servers, however we want to use the custom name servers this time. To do this, we're going to come on over to our PBN blog and we're going to copy the name server one right here. Just copy it up until .com or whatever your ending is, .co.uk. You don't need to copy the blog IP and the little arrow as well. So we're just going to copy this over. We're going to come back over to our domain page and we're going to paste this into ns1, which is the name server 1. Now, same again, we're going to come on over, we're going to copy the name server 2, and realistically the only difference is that it has a number 2 instead of a ns1, it's got ns2. So we're just going to paste that in there. And now we have our name servers inputted. At this point, you can click change name servers, and pretty much everything to update your name servers has been done now. Just one last thing that we do need to do is come on over to the Registrar Lock, and we're just going to lock this back up again to make sure that no other changes can be made that we don't want. So click that, and you can see it's a little green lock now. And we've changed and updated our private name servers. Now just to check this, you can come back over to your PBN blog, and then you can then set up your SSL certificate. The SSL will only go through once your name servers have been propagated, so once you've added your name servers to here, and of course your private name servers because it's a PBN blog with the separate and unique IPs and name servers. Before you activate your SSL, just take a note of your username and your password on the bottom. However, don't worry too much if you haven't, you do get an email as well, a confirmation email with your username and password, so if you don't, you are able to get it. Once you do activate the SSL on this page though, it will disappear from this page, so either take a note or just grab it from your emails. Now just to make sure that you're totally up and running, just head on over to SSL. We're going to activate this. Doesn't usually take too long, it's pretty instant with SeekaHost. As you can see there, SSL will be activated in about 30 minutes. If it doesn't come up with that green sign and you have any sort of error, just make sure that you put in the right name servers, you haven't added in any spaces or anything like that, and it's exactly as is with the IP and the name servers. Leave it a little while, then try again. Don't keep trying to add your SSL certificate. Try and sort out the problem first, because you can get blocked. You'll have to wait another 7 days if you try and overdo it. However, if you've followed all these steps up till now, that wouldn't be the case. And as you can see, we have a little preview on the left hand side. We can now go onto the site using the domain, we can edit it, and people can also visit our site. Once you've done this, simply hit site login and you can then log into your page. So thanks for watching. I hope that you found this handy. For any more tutorials like this, head on over to our YouTube channel, or of course our knowledge base on SeekaHost.app, and you're going to be able to find anything you need to start your PBM blog, start a WordPress site, adding your domain, and anything else. So thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you next time on the next tutorial. Bye bye.